Hello, my name is Teresa and this is a picture of me. I'm 29 years old and I live in a small village called Kleitrup with my 2 kids. I have a boy and I have a girl, and I'm a single mother. I don't have a lot of family and friends who can help me look after the kids, but I really love being a mother. I have an education as pedagogic assistant, and for 7 years I tried to get a steady job or a tenure, but that wasn't possible. I have had a lot of substitute jobs, but I'm starting at the pedagogue seminar in Viborg the 2nd of September this year, and I really hope that I can manage to finish this English class and follow the education at the pedagogue seminar at the same time. I'm really looking forward to start at the pedagogue seminar, but at the same time I was really looking forward to this English class because I would like to be better at English. You know, you use it all the time. Yes, that was a little presentation of me. Thank you for listening.